Clearly, it's a twister.
Wow!
A catastrophic summer monsoon storm tore through the Tucson metropolitan area and Pima County late Saturday evening, leaving behind a trail of severe structural damage, widespread power outages, and life-threatening flash floods. Described by meteorologists as one of the most violent convective events the region has seen in recent years. The storm unleashed destructive straight-line winds exceeding 80 miles per hour, an ominous wall of dust known as a haboob, and torrential downpours that transformed city streets into raging rivers.
I need to inject a bit more tempo into their attacking work. They had a break on, didn't they? A few minutes ago before that. Damn, you want to see how bad the storm was last night? Came over to Circle K. Look at this. Tucson, Monsoon. No joke.
As emergency crews work around the clock to clear debris, restore electricity, and rescue stranded motorists, local authorities have urged residents to remain vigilant. The National Weather Service, NWS, predicting continued atmospheric instability throughout the upcoming week. The desert community is now facing a dual challenge, recovering from a weekend disaster while bracing for more severe weather. The severe weather event began developing late Saturday afternoon in the high terrain surrounding the Tucson Basin.
Mira, va a pasar. Grábalo, va a pasar. Grábalo. Miren, va a pasar ese carro. No, no va a pasar. Ya se arrepintió. Ah, no, sí. Sí va a pasar, miren. Ah, no, no pasó. Se rajó. ¿Cómo si va grande?
Fueled by intense daytime heating and an influx of deep subtropical moisture from the Gulf of California, isolated thunderstorms rapidly coalesced into a massive, organized, convective system over Cochise and Santa Cruz counties, before marching directly northwest toward Tucson. By 7:30 p.m., the atmospheric setup had reached a tipping point. As the storm system collapsed onto the desert floor, it triggered a massive downburst, a phenomenon where cold air rapidly sinks from a thunderstorm and spreads out violently upon hitting the ground. This displaced air generated a towering wall of dust and sand thousands of feet high, which raced ahead of the storm cells. The National Weather Service immediately issued a sequence of urgent alerts, including dust storm warnings and severe thunderstorm warnings for the entirety of Pima County.